Hey guys, and welcome back to the Oh Hello Co YouTube channel. It's been a minute, and I'm here to share with you the February Deluxe monthly sticker subscription. So this month's theme is Treat Yourself, and it comes with a lot of goodies. So let's go through everything and show you piece by piece. Each deluxe subscription comes with a greeting card. This month I wanted to do something kind of birthday themed, so you had one just in case you needed a birthday card. So this one says, have a relaxing birthday, and it comes with a red foil lined envelope. Next up is the roll of washi tape, and I wanted it to be heart themed, but not like overly Valentine's Day themed. So I thought this black heart roll of washi would go really well with this kit and could be something you could use over and over again. This month we included a Darice sticker book. It's the Sweet Shop version and just has a lot of delicious looking ice creams and treats and treat yourself types of stickers. As a little extra special gift, I also included some die cuts as well. They have treat yourself on it. I really like this like spa girl, and then these little like eye mask stickers. Now onto the stickers themselves. Each kit comes with 7 sticker sheets, and you can choose between glossy or matte. So this is the washi sheet. Then we have the heart checklists. And the functional. I wanted it to have like a Valentine's Day theme, so if you wanted to go in that direction, you could. But if you're not really big on Valentine's Day, then you could use it as more of a self-love, self-care kit, and maybe get yourself some ice cream, take yourself out on a date, that sort of thing. And then we have the font variety as well as the decorative. So that is everything in this month's deluxe sticker subscription. All of the information and everything you need to know to purchase one will be in the description, so definitely head down there. We also offer a mini version of this, so if you don't want all of these stickers, it's a 3 sticker sheet kit along with the extra bonus items as well as the card. So definitely go over to our website and check that all out. Let me know in the comments what you think about this subscription, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!